Today we have a beautiful message from Archangel Raphael entitled Mother Nature in Action, and it's all about the simple ways in which we can assist Mother Earth. She starts off talking about where I'm sitting, where I take the message from him. Well, from Mother Earth, I guess, through Archangel Raphael. You sit in an avenue of trees for our connection. How magical is that? Being embedded in an essential part of you. Both you and the trees are one, for all are sentient and blended with the divine. Feel the energy. Feel the truth of this. How do you feel now? Yes, more peaceful and more alive at the same time. This is why we ask you all to walk in nature every day, for it feeds you with love. Part of walking lightly on the earth involves nurturing nature, planting more and blessing all that is around you. You are not more important than a tree, which is essential to your physical life as the lungs of the earth. Be aware and do not take this beauty for granted or treat it with disrespect. Mother Earth is responsible for the well-being of your planet, and she makes whatever adjustments are necessary. If you tune into her with love and gratitude, you may hear her message about how you may assist. At the moment, the poles are shifting in order to create balance for the future. The process will cause high waters in some places before the earth can return to harmony. Your role, dear ones, is multifaceted. One is to walk lightly and honor for your temporary home. Another is to cease being in judgment and to see all as being holy, for that is the truth. Then we urge you to change anything in you which is born of fear. Remember, anything not of love is born of fear. When you walk on the earth as your true, invincible, unlimited self, you assist the earth to come into balance again. You are no longer draining its energy. Subtle, elevating adjustments by you create vast positive effect on the earth and indeed in the whole cosmos. Be open and aware, dear hearts, and live as your divine self. Nothing is difficult as long as you follow your own divine nature, for it will show you the way, step by step. So ends that lovely message through Archangel Raphael, which I feel came from Mother Earth. Such simple things for us to do, if we can just remember. So thank you for listening, everybody. Much love and blessings. And this text is below the video if you'd like to read it again a few times. Thank you. Until the next time.